Hello friends, myself Dr. Manoj Agarwala, Principal Dermatologist and Director at MA Skin and Hair Super Specialty Clinic in Chaubit Colony, Raipur. In this video, we will be talking about a common skin condition that we all might have faced at some point in our life. Yes, we are going to discuss about pimples, or that is medically known as acne vulgaris. But if the condition is so common, why do we need to discuss it at all? The reason we need to discuss it, though a majority of your pimples will go away, but some of them have a habit of leaving a dirty looking ugly scar, and that person has to live with that scar for the rest of his or her life. Here is the role of dermatologist to prevent patients from developing from something which is so trivial to something which can be so serious, and it affects the personal and professional development of such individuals. So before I answer your questions on the topic, let us learn what actually is acne. Acne is basically a chronic inflammation where the oil glands produces sebum that differs in quantity and quality, and when the skin gets trapped in between these pores, the bacteria Propionibacterium acne starts multiplying, and this is when you see the typical lesions of acne in the form of papules and pustules. So are all people with acne the same? No. A majority of my patients, they suffer from the milder variant of acne that is commonly called as the blackheads or the whiteheads, and in medical terms as the open or the closed comedones. A few of them are unfortunate and they develop the nodular or the cystic variety of acne that has a higher propensity to leave a scar. But majority of the patients keep battling the acne with moderate grade severity. So how do I treat my patients with pimples? Basically, the first step is to find out why somebody is actually developing pimples, and unless until we identify the root of the problem, we will not be able to offer a permanent solution. The solution lies in identifying the problem itself. Different patients with pimple may need different treatments, so the bottom line is the treatment has to be customized and individualized for each patient. At MA Skin and Hair Super Specialty Clinic, we take your acne very seriously. The treatment is divided into 3 different phases. The first phase is clearing out the existing lesions of acne, and it reasonably takes around 2 months of time. And in this time frame, we have worked up the patient, we have done some blood tests, and now we know why the particular person was developing acne. So we made the treatment more focused, and we start reducing the outbreaks and finally putting a full stop to the new lesions of acne. The last part is aiming to achieve a glass clear skin, clearing up the blemishes, the dark spots, the footprints of the acne, and this is quite possible. Overall, it may take a time frame of 4 to 6 months to treat somebody with pimples successfully and happily. So are there any particular reasons for somebody to get pimples? Well, it could be multifactorial. The commonest reason for somebody to develop acne is hormonal. There may be certain medications that the patient is taking for some other reasons which might be giving him or her the pimples. Sometimes it's the makeup, the cosmetics, some over-the-counter products. So what can a person do? You should always check that the label should reach non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic means it has less chances to develop acneiform lesions for that particular product. We all have heard that there are treatments available in the clinic to make the result faster, better. Is it true? Well, the essential of acne treatment is the pills and the applications that the doctor has recommended as DIY, like do it yourself. But obviously there are certain rates of chemical pills, the alpha and the beta hydroxy acids, laser toning, some lasers like the Isolarge, which is particularly directed for acne treatment. If somebody wants to incorporate such treatment in his or her regimen, it can be discussed with the dermatologist. And before signing out, remember that healthy skin is beautiful skin. For more such topics, follow us on the Insta or the Facebook page. Thank you for watching.